The last example we have demonstrated this. Let me show you a simple creative way. For example, let's assume this is the new year. I mean, it's not the new year, it's today is 16th August, but let's assume I want to print out new year. Maybe we're just in the nick of time. So we know it's going to work 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 in this fashion. But I want to print this accordingly. I mean, 10 after a second, 9 after a second, 8 likewise. For that, we go ahead and use import a particular library called import time. And after importing this library, we can use time dot sleep and provide the seconds. I want to provide 1 second delay. So let's see how it's going to work out. After the time, I want to instantly print Happy New Year. Let's print out 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Yeah. It's a simple creative code. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.